I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Updating your profile details on Toptal is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Toptal account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, go to your Profile Settings. You can find this option in the drop-down menu under your profile picture in the top right corner. Step 3. Edit Profile Information. In the Profile Settings, look for the section that allows you to edit your personal details. This typically includes your name, bio, and skills. Click on the Edit button next to each section you want to update. Step 4. Save Changes. After making your updates, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. If you navigate away without saving, you might lose your updates. Step 5. Review your profile. Finally, take a moment to review your profile to ensure all changes are reflected correctly. You can view your profile as it appears to others by clicking on the View Profile option. Updating your profile on Toptal can help you stand out to potential clients, so make sure to keep it current. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.